The number you have dialed has been changed.
Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to set up the auto start for your SDR Sharp software. And I just downloaded the most recent one here. So we're going to go ahead and just open that folder up. And one of the first things we need to do is edit our plugin file, and we need to copy over and paste in a DLL file in order for this to work. So I got the information right here, and I'll throw a link in the description to my website for this. But if we click on the installation, here's our magic line. So we're just going to right click, copy that, because we're going to need that. And here's our DLL file. So we're just going to copy that guy over to there. So there that is. And all we need to do now is add our magic line to the plugin XML file. So we'll click open. And you can use whatever editor you want to. So let's go ahead and paste that guy in there, which it already is. So we'll just go ahead and delete that one. And there we go. So we'll just save, close, and if we start SDR Sharp, it's on a delay, but it should be starting here, and there it goes. Now if we go up here to the menu, as you can see, auto start radio, and right here is the plugin settings. You can enable it, turn it off, change the delay in seconds to whatever you want it to be. So hopefully this kind of helped out, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.